Hi all. So today we are going to see another interesting topic from the machine learning domain, that is NLP, or you can call it as natural language processing. So let us understand what NLP is and how we use this. So if I had to define NLP in a simple way, what I can say is natural language processing is a technology that allows computers to understand human language. It is as simple as that. This is what NLP means. Few examples we see in our day-to-day life is, when Gmail says that particular email is spam. This is one example. Then you can see your YouTube video getting captions. That is also an example of NLP. Third one is Google Translate. It is also an example of NLP. So these are some of the examples in which natural language processing is used. In one line, NLP teaches computers to read, write, understand the language that we human use. Why do we need NLP? Because see, human language is a bit messy. It has a lot of grammatical mistakes and all. Computer cannot understand that text directly. Computer only understand numbers, binary numbers. So NLP converts the human text into meaningful numbers. NLP converts human text into meaningful numbers. Now let us see what does an NLP system do. First, it will read text. After reading the text, it will understand what all important words are there, and then it makes the prediction. Now let us understand how does an how does the NLP pipeline works. Okay, so you have raw text, that is human language text, that is firstly pre-processed. First stage is pre-processing. After pre-processing, text is converted to numbers, and then we use this to train model, and then we make predictions. So this is how an NLP pipeline works. So the first step, pre-processing. What we do in pre-processing, let us say we have some sentence like hello at the rate user question mark, something like this. So first what it will do, it will remove these unnecessary things. It is also called as noise. All these will be removed. Then all the uppercase letter will be converted to lowercase. So it will be hello user. Okay. Then after this, what we do, this is a sentence. We break this sentence into words. So it will be like hello is the first word, user is the second word. Then It also removes the stop words. Stop words are the words that don't add that much meaning to the sentence. A, at, of, all these and many others are stop words. Okay, then one more thing that is optional. Let us say user is the sentence is hello user, you are playing. So what is do? It will take this playing and convert it into play. This is called as stemming. Okay, so this all this comes under pre-processing. That is our step 1. Okay, after that we have second step, that is converting text into numbers. Okay, so there are many different ways to do that. First is bag of word. Second is count vectorize. Count vectorizer. Third is TF-IDF. This is probably the best way to convert the text into numbers. TF-IDF means term frequency inverse document frequency. Simply what it checks for words that appear very frequently and that are of less importance. Frequently but less important. It also calculates rare but more important words. For example, if we have the sentence saying the phone is broken, I want refund. So in this, the phone is, these are frequently used but less important words, and broken, refund, these words are rare but important. So then count vectorizer, what it does is, let us say we have two sentences. I love pizza is one sentence. I love movies other sentence. So what it does, it will first see what all words we have. We have I love pizza and movie. Okay, so what it will do, it will make an array of these and see what all values are present. So for the first one we have I love pizza but movie is not there, so it will be 0. So first array will be like this. In second it will we will have I love movie, pizza is not there, so 0 for pizza. So this is how count vectorizer converts the sentence into numbers, text into number. That is second step. Then we have third step, that is to train the model. Now there are few models, but among those this model is easy to use and it's really good to predict the values. It's also fast. Then we can also use logistic regression, random forest. So what it does is it is helpful for text classification, then sentiment analysis. Then once we have trained our model, third step is done. Then we will use our test data to predict. So the common NLP tasks are sentiment analysis, text classification, assign the particular text into the categories. Let us see a lot of text and we want to assign them into the categories like sport, politics, entertainment, business. Then we can have one more task that NLP models can do is entity recognition, like when you want to identify important entities in a sentence. For example, we say Virat Kohli lives in India. So entities are person, that is Virat Kohli, and location, that is India. Then machine translation. All these are some common tasks that is performed by NLP models. So this was all about the NLP. I hope you found this lecture very helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts about this, feel free to drop comments and I would like to answer those. Thank you.